was looking at the analytics of my Big Ben Inspector website, right? So here's Big Ben Inspector website. I'm in Wix. They set me up with a Wix account. They build my website. Inspector Website Builder builds my website in Wix, and they give me an account. And I take a look at the analytics. And this is the last 365 days. But I can see, like in February, I was doing really well. A lot of hits and all that stuff. And where are they coming from? Oh, a lot of them are coming from Google. Real time. If you go there right now, bigbeninspections.com. Can you do that for me? bigbeninspections.com. And we can see live visitors visiting my website. And it'll ping. It'll go ping, 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 ping. I've got one. Oh, there we go. Got one on my homepage. Got two on my homepage. Got three on my homepage, right? United States. And I can view where you're going. So if I send out an email marketing campaign, I can just watch to see where everybody goes. Oh, they're going to my homepage. And then someone went to my services and fees. Someone directly found me because they typed in bigbeninspections.com and went to my website. And somebody did a search on Google. And 40% of you are using desktops. 40% of you are using mobile. And here's a session with a visitor, number 3141. You've been browsing for 32 seconds and you're in the United States and you're visiting my homepage and using a tablet. And I can chat with you right now. Shall I? Amazing. I can chat with the I have no idea who you are. Hello, it's Ben. Okay, so the other person, I don't know who you are, but you've been on my homepage for 54 seconds and you're from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And they're chatting with me. Guess what I can do? I can do this on my desktop or I can do it on my phone. So I have Inspector Website Builder. They give me an app that allows me to chat with anybody who is visiting my website.